Press start.
Hello, I'm Ben Tennyson. We will learn about tools of Windows Media Player. As before, I have reviewed about Windows Media Player. Here are tools in detail. Graphic Equalizer. Play speed settings. Crossfading and auto volume leveling. SRS WOW Effects. Quiet mode. And video settings. Let's have a look at Graphic Equalizer. In this enhancement, these sliders actually move up and down. Besides, each slider belongs to this frequency, least is at 31 Hz at the bass side, and highest is 16 kHz at the treble side. One slider which works horizontally is its balance. When the slider is moved to the left, only the left speaker works. If the slider is moved to the right, only the right speaker works. The preset selection shows the various sounds of frequency including rap, grunge, jazz and many more, depending on all the songs. 3 options which are selectable. One is the independent selection of slider adjustment. Second one is the loose linked sliders, which would work loosely. And third one is the tight linked sliders, which would work tightly. In case you have made changes, the preset returns to custom or user-defined mode. When you click the reset link, it originates to default preset. If you want to disable the equalizer, press turn off link, the audio works only in default mode. Next, for play speed settings enhancement, the slider is at the original mark at number 1. The highlighted part ranges the speed from 0.5 to 2. This checkbox indicates snap slider to common speeds. The slider will work as a difference of 0.1 units, like a mathematical number line. The maximum speed allows up to 16 times fast, but the slider only reaches up to 8 times. With the help of content playing, we can select speed with the given links: slow, normal, and fast. Playback slow speed would mark at 0.5, its shortcut key is Ctrl-Shift and S. Playback normal speed would mark at 1, its shortcut key is Ctrl-Shift and N. Playback fast speed would mark at 1.4, its shortcut key is Ctrl-Shift and G. In the negative side, the player actually rewinds, like the video is being rewinded. Lastly, these 2 buttons, one for right arrow selects the next frame, and left arrow selects the previous frame, especially for all video files. Next, crossfading and auto volume leveling. Crossfading will gradually decrease the volume of the song that is ending, fade out, and increase volume of the song that is beginning. To turn on crossfading, click Turn on Crossfading and then click and drag the slider left or right, change the amount of overlap between tracks. Next, for about SRS WOW Effects. SRS meaning Sound Retrieval System. SRS WOW Effects enhance low frequency and stereo sound performance. Click Turn on to enable the true bass and WOW effect sliders. You can also optimize for your speaker type. You can click to switch between regular, large, and headphones as per your choice. Next, for about quiet mode. Quiet mode will level out any sharp volume highs and lows within a single track. You can simply toggle the setting on or off and select whether you prefer medium difference or little difference by selecting one of the radio buttons. And finally, video settings. There are 4 types of sliders which work horizontally. One is the hue slider, that would actually change the video color on the either side. Second is the saturation, that depends on the tone level of the color, from grayscale to high color tone. Third is the brightness, depends from low to high intensity. And fourth is the contrast, that is the difference in brightness between objects or regions. Just like the video settings look similar to image editing versions. So now we have discussed about all the enhancements in Windows Media Player. Like, comment, and subscribe now.